This is a video about Busch-Jaeger, the market leader for electrical installation technology. Yeah, that's right. For example, we make sockets, control devices, switches. Here, you probably know this one. Well, then you also know that sustainability is not just about the environment for us, but also about design. We also make touch panels, motion detectors, apps, electric cars, door communication devices, smart home systems. Wait a minute, electric cars?
In den 1920er Jahren gab es bei uns eine Versuchsreihe mit 3 elektrischen Automodellen. War aber nichts. Wir waren der Zeit einfach schon so weit voraus.
Well, now we have the charging stations for e-cars. Where were we? Oh yeah. Door communication devices, smart home systems, motion detectors, thermostats, charging stations. It all started here, in Paris. Hans Kurt Jäger actually was in Paris at the time and saw Thomas Alva Edison, the famous inventor of the light bulb. Back in Lüdenscheid, Hans Kurt and his brother Georg thought,
let's be part of this electricity. There has to be something the light bulb fits into.
About 2 kilometers away, Friedrich Wilhelm Busch had his first global success with this new innovation, which he sold more than 50 million times all over the world. Since then, innovation has been a tradition at Busch-Jaeger. In 1926...
Boah, geht das noch ewig so weiter?
Die labern halt gerne, die Marketing-Typen.
Ist da Zucker drin?
Sorry, we're almost there. Just one more thing.
Oh.
In 1926, the 3 of them joined forces and Busch-Jaeger was born. Now we offer more than 6,000 products, made in Germany, which we supply to more than 60 countries. We have more than 1,300 brains. Along with this colleague, these ones, those, and this one. Because we're part of the ABB Group, a company that...
Das weltweit die Transformation von Gesellschaft und Industrie in eine nachhaltigere und produktivere Zukunft energetisch vorantreibt.
Thanks. And what for? So that everything in your building works smoothly and communicates with each other. We take care of flowing, sending, switching, heating, sounding, so you can control it comfortably. For example, like this, or like that. Or like this. But we would all be empty-handed if it weren't for him.
Was ist das denn für eine Sch***? Wer hat sich das ausgedacht?
Well, to ensure he doesn't have to say that, we supply carefully considered intelligent systems that can be easily installed. Really.
Ich liebe es, wenn ein Plan funktioniert.
By the way, our own training center assists us.
Und was ist mit Klimaschutz?
In Lüdenscheid, we started in-house and built the first carbon-neutral production site in Germany.
Das finde ich schon mal ganz gut.
We look at buildings as systems that are connected to their environment, and of course to you. Our smart home is also open to other smart minds, and for those who are yet to come. But the real question is, what does future compatibility mean to you?
Abby, im Wohnzimmer bitte 2 Grad wärmer.
Your building will be more comfortable, environmentally friendly, safe, and look fantastic. Okay, that's it from us. Now it's your turn.